That's that pileated woodpecker, guys. I missed it. God, I wanted it so bad. It just did a cackle. I looked up, it was right in our tree. I had the phone in the pocket. Here comes the Grackles. Hear him? He must see me. God dang it. I hope he comes back. I'm keeping the phone close by. We got a glimpse of him. It's that pileated woodpecker, the largest woodpecker in North America. Did you see? I hope it came out. Uh-oh. Something's flying huge. Come on, woodpecker, come back. Damn it, I put the phone down. It started rapid firing machine gun over there. Hear it? In between the Grackles. Hear that? Where is it? God dang it. Anybody want a peanut? You want a peanut, honeys? No? Guys, that pileated, however you pronounce it, woodpecker is in the trees, and I can't find him again. Come on over, I'm not waiting, it's cold. I already fed you guys, I hear you. Coming down? You guys and your laser. Cold, cold, cold. What do you got to say? You gonna shoot me? Little birds, it's bird time. Just feeding the birds. The lasers are mad, because a couple of them are mad. This guy's the bravest one of them all, and he's not none too brave. Look at him, he's ready to run. We're gonna set this here for a minute. See what happens to it.